Welcome fellow travelers to another exciting video from Boundless Expeditions. Today, we're going to show you how to experience Portugal on a shoestring budget. Portugal, a land of stunning beaches, historic cities, and delicious cuisine. But what if I told you that you can experience all of this beauty without breaking the bank? Welcome to our budget travel guide. Now, when it comes to budget travel, Portugal is a hidden gem. Many people think it's too expensive, but that's just not true. The challenge we're tackling today is breaking the misconception that traveling to Portugal is only for the wealthy. Let's dive into some strategies for exploring this beautiful country on a budget. First things first, accommodations. Forget expensive hotels. Portugal offers a plethora of budget-friendly options, from charming guesthouses to cozy hostels. Look for accommodations in local neighborhoods rather than tourist hotspots for the best deals. And don't be afraid to try alternative options like Airbnb or couchsurfing for an authentic and affordable experience. Next up, let's talk about food. You don't need to dine at fancy restaurants to experience Portuguese cuisine. Explore local markets and indulge in delicious street food for a fraction of the cost. From freshly grilled sardines to hearty bafana sandwiches, you'll find an array of tasty treats that won't break the bank. And don't forget to wash it all down with a glass of refreshing vinho verde or a shot of port wine. And what about activities? Portugal is filled with free or low-cost adventures. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the stunning countryside of the Douro Valley or the rugged coastline of the Algarve. Take a leisurely stroll through historic neighborhoods like Lisbon's Alfama or Porto's Ribeira, where you can admire colorful tiled buildings and charming cobblestone streets. And don't miss out on cultural experiences like fado music performances or wine tastings, which can be enjoyed for a reasonable price. Now, let me share a personal story with you. During my own budget travels in Portugal, I stumbled upon a hidden beach where I spent an entire day soaking up the sun and swimming in crystal clear waters. It was a magical experience that didn't cost me a fortune. Whether you're watching the sunset over the Atlantic Ocean or exploring historic castles and palaces, Portugal offers countless opportunities for budget-friendly adventures. In conclusion, exploring Portugal on a shoestring budget is not only possible but incredibly rewarding. From affordable accommodations to mouth-watering cuisine and unforgettable experiences, Portugal offers it all without breaking the bank. So pack your bags, grab your wallet, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in Portugal. Trust me, the memories you'll make will be priceless. Thanks for joining us on this budget travel guide to Portugal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more budget travel guides, and share your own budget travel tips in the comments below. Your feedback and insights help us create more content to inspire budget travelers like you. Happy travels!